Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to explain one program of ArrayGar. This is a very simple program, but guys, it is what helpful for the fresher as well as intermediate. So how we are going to sum of the array element. The program is get how we are going to sum of the array elements. Suppose if you get the input from the end user, suppose if you are going to what keep 10 numbers, if you are going to enter 10 numbers, then what should be the sum of all this 10 number what the user is going to enter. So that program I will explain get end to end. I will show also with debug mode. So how this code is going to flow internally. Right guys? So guys, without any further delay, I will start this thing guys. So guys, for this purpose, right? So how we're going to sum of the array element, what the element we got from the what end user, what the input we got from the end user. So we need to add for all the entered number. So guys, for this purpose, I need to create one class, right? So guys, just I'm going to create a class. Okay, the class name is what? Sum of array element, right? That is the our class name, sum of array elements, right? We should have one main method. Yes. Okay, please be concentrated. It's very simple, but okay, it is interesting as well, okay? Because what I am going to explain in very what simple term, okay? So I see our motto is whenever if we get any input from the end user. Suppose end user is giving I need what add of 10 array element. So guys, first they need to give the input as a 10 element, right? So I will enter 10 element from the end user. So guys, for the purpose we need to first declare the size what the user want to put. So guys, that's int size equals to guys, see int size I am declare one variable, right? That is our local variable, right? Guys, see once we have got the size, right? So guys, we need to take one scanner class, right? So from that we can take the input. So we know very well, right? So scanner I'm going to create the object of the scanner class, right? So let's see what I'm going to explain. It is very simple, and but it is get what knowledgeous, interesting guy. So first I have what created the scanner class, because if you want to take the input from the end user, definitely guy you should have one scanner class. Then you can take the request. Then you can take the input. So I see after taking this, after creating this scanner class, I am going to print one statement guy. What? Enter the array element, right? I will tell to the end user enter the array elements what you want, right? What you want, okay? So let's see if I am giving this message, right? Then you understood what we are doing, what our main agenda for this program, right? So just I will tell to the end user enter the array elements what you want for addition, right? For addition, right? I have given this message to the end user, right? So let's see after getting this message, I will get take the request, right? If you want to take the request get, so you have one next int method in our scanner class get, right? So sc dot next int get. You can call this method get, then we can take the input from the end user. And get this value what we are taking from the end user, we can store in our guy size variable. Okay, right? That's why guy I have taken here one size variable. So that till this part I hope you should not have any confusion, right? So let's see after taking the size, so 10 or 5 whatever elements they want to enter. After that, I will create one what int array object, right? So let's see int our name of the variable of this integer array again. So what array sum, right? So guys, the name should be what as per expectation guys. What we are going to do, we are going to sum of the array element. That's why I kept the name of this variable guys array sum, right? Then guys create new int and get in this bracket I can pass our size of the our what array, right? Whatever the size they are going to provide means individual guy, right? This part guy we have done, right? After that what we can do, we can get take the input. So they have entered 10 number, so we'll tell to the integer, hey, what 10 number you want to add, right? So guys, that purpose we are going to create one for loop guy, right? Because 10 number they are going to print it one by one, so they might be given 2 4 6 8 7 like that, right? Then we are going to add all the entered number. So guys, that's why we will take first one for loop, we can store all the number, right? So guys, int I equals to 0, because we know very well that our array is starting from 0 index. That's why guys, I will take here 0, correct? Then guys, I less than size, whatever the size they are giving, so we need to put less than that, right? Guys, I less than size. Then guys, we increment one by one, correct? Then guys, in this for loop will take the input from the integer. That's why guys, I can call sc dot next int, correct? I will call next dot next int, correct? Yes. Okay, then we can hold this value in our what this variable what we have created, right? So guys, see, and here this, correct? Correct guys, I have understood, correct? I hope you should not have any confusion till now, because I have what taken the input from the integer and we are holding in our this array variable, correct? One by one. This is the loop guy. So whatever number they are going to enter, will take and will store in our this variable, correct? Yes, I have understood guys. Guys, see, after taking the request, after taking the input from the integer, we can give one message again. We can write one message again. What message again? Sys out. So what printed array element again. Printed array elements, whatever elements entered by the end user. So we are going to give a message. So printed array element is guy. What guy? So for the purpose we need to write one for loop. Correct guy? So guy, just I will copy, or we can write again, no worry. So for I equals to get int I equals to 0, then guy our size will be less than size guy, yes or no? Then guy I plus plus, correct? As it is will do guy. But in this for loop guy, we are going to print the result, right? We are going to print the result. How we are going to add and we are going to print this logic I can write in this for loop guy. So guys, see, first I am going to print whatever the number entered by the integer, we are going to print first, right? So guys, sys out, we can write here guys what arr sum, and that whatever the value is coming inside it, then we can get some space, right? Okay, this thing I have done. But guys, whatever number we are going to get from the integer, we need to add here, right? So guys, for the purpose we can add guys how. So whatever the element we have in this, right? We have element in this variable, correct? So guys, this variable plus, correct? We can guys add, right? So we can take some variable, right? And guys, we can store this guy in some variable, right? Right guys? So guys, we can store in sum variable only. But guys, we don't have any sum variable as of now, right? We don't have any sum variable as of now. So guys, we can create one sum variable as locally, right? So guys, int sum equals to 0, right? Initially because in sum variable we don't have any sum value, right? That's why I have declared as a 0. So once the first iteration, it will come right whatever number entered by the integer. Suppose first they entered 1, so 0 plus 1 equal to 1. I will show guys with this help of debug mode, don't worry. So guys, see, I have created what some variable and I have added there, right? Then guys, after adding, because this is for loop guys, so each and every loop, so first loop, second loop, third loop, so each and every iteration the value will come and store and will send back to us again. So guys, then we can print one result, right? So sysout, we can write here what after sum of all array elements is, right? Yes, okay. After sum of all array elements is, correct? Guys, then what should be the result, guys? So what we are going to store in our result as sum, guys, right? Then we can write sum, correct, guys? So guys, this is the complete what program. So how we are going to add some of the array element, right? How we are going to add array elements, whatever the elements entered by the integer, guys. See guys, now I am running the application in front of you. Will see the result, guys. Guys, see, just let me enhance this one. But enter the array elements what you want for addition. This is a message, guys, we are declaring here, right? Line number 10. So I am just what asking to the end user, hey, enter the array elements what you want for addition, right? So guys, see, if they want first 10 elements, they want enter it. If he wants 10 numbers, for that 10 number they want to find the sum, right? So guys, see, enter. So I can write, guys, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then get 10, right? So I have get enter all the 10 number, right? Because user wants to add all the 10 number, initial 10 number, guys. So guys, what should be the sum? What should be the sum, guys? Till this place we reached, we will enter the all number. So guys, this array sum will store all the number, guys. Then guys, when I entered, so it will give back, see, first guys, printed array element is, right? Printed array elements here, okay? Printed array elements. So guys, you can see here whatever array elements we have entered here, it will printed it. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 10, guys. Then you can see, guys, our printed in this for loop how it has calculated all the value, guys. See, after sum of all array element is 55, guys. If you can add all that numbers from 1 to 10, definitely you will get 55, guys. Okay? So guys, that is the logic. That is logic on runtime, guys. On runtime, if you want, right, whatever the elements if you want to add, you can put 5 6 10 12 13 15 like that, right? And the number will print it. Then you can guess it. Then you can add all the number what you have entered. That will get result, right? 55, guys. Guys, see, one more time I will run the application. I can put, guys, only 5 number, guys. See, this time enter the array element what you want for addition, guys. Correct? So at that time, suppose if I am going to give here only 5 number, right? Suppose 5 number, right? So guys, 1 2 3 4 5, right? Then get entered. See, printed array elements is this one, guys. After sum of the array elements get 15, you can see it 1 plus 2 3 3 6 plus 4 10 plus 5 15. Guys, this is the very simple program, but it's very understandable, guys. In which way I have implemented this code for very understanding, guys. Yes or no? So guys, I will debug this code. I will debug this code how the freshers, how the beginners, how the intermediate level guys will understood how this code is going to flow internally. Guys, see, I'm giving here breakpoint, this line number 13. Okay, run the application in debug mode guys. Guys, see, first you need to enter number guy. I've entered 5, right? Then guy, the control will come in our this place guy. See, as of now I have given guy size is equal to 5 guy. Yes or no? You can see guy, already have entered size equal to 5. Then it came guy this place, right? So guy, as of now you can see in array sum all the value is 0 guy. All the value is 0, correct? Because it will take one by one. Then it will sum guy. So guys, in first iteration guy, you can see it came here, right? So guys, you can see I equal to guy first time 0, right? This is starting from next 0 guy. Then guy I less than size, that is guy size 5, right? So guy this 5 is our size guy, right? Then guy you can go this place, correct guy? Then guy it is executing guy. Give 1 second. Give me 1 second. It is executing. Give 1 minute. Let me rerun 1 second. Might be hang guy. Don't worry. I will rerun one more time guy. Just guys see debug guys Java application, right? It will give guy enter the number, right? I am giving guy 5, right? It will come this place, right? And guy you can put one breakpoint this place as well, right? So guy you can see the cursor came in this place, right? Then guy it is entered in our next iteration guy. Just give me 1 second. It is taking some time guy. Don't worry, please wait few minutes. Okay guys, so first you need to enter number guy, right? So then you need to first enter number guy. See, I've entered 1. Then you can see guy, if I enter first number guy, right? Then guy you can see, so first number guy, in first number guy 1, right? In the first number 1, right? So that it will go this place, right? Then guy it asking second number, right? Second number. Then guy first guy I can enter all the number guy. Then I will show this thing guy. Then I can go into 3. Then guy I can enter here 4. Then I can enter guy 5, right? Then guy I will come this place. Okay. So guy now you can see here. So first iteration guy, the value is 0, right? So index of first index what you can see here 2, because I have entered in second iteration guy 2. Guys, then you can see guys third, because first time guy I am going to enter all the number, right? That's why it is taking time, right? So it is 3. Then you can guys see the next iteration guy, the value will be guy next value, right? You can see guy next value is what? Next value is guy. Okay, so all the value are entered. So all the value as of now it's entered guy. You can see here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever number we are going, what we have entered, the all value is kept in our guy this array some variable, right? Guy now you can see printed array element is whatever element we have printed, it can show the this one, right? Then guy it will go forward, right? Then all the element will print guy. See, now this place guy, because I am going to print guy one by one. First we have taken the input from the integer, so all the input came guy, right? So guy, then this line must be executed, right? So printed array element is it's printed in our console. Then guy, in first iteration, right, we can see guy, so in first iteration what is the value of this is index, right? So guy, we can see here. So let's see, first array is going to print here. First is going to print the array element what we have entered guy. First case it entered guy 1, right? Then you can guys see 2 printed as, then guy 3 printed, right? Then guy it's printed 4, you can see here 4, yes or no guy? Then it can print 5 because we can get executing all the printing element first, right? Guy, you can see here 5. Now guy, you can see in this result guy, so what will some value 10 guy, because you see last execution guy, you can see now our sum value is 15. Why? Because it is going to add guy, so array of sum I, so what was the index of 0 guy? So guy, this is the value of 1, right? 1 plus 0 guy, in first iteration guy 1 plus 0, first iteration, right? First iteration guy value is what? The index of 0, it is 1, right? So guy 1 plus 0 guy, that is 1, right? Guy, this is first iteration, right? Then guy second iteration, in second iteration guy, so earlier first iteration guy value was 1, then guy second iteration guy the value is 2, correct? 1 plus 2 guy, 1 plus 2 equal to guy 3, correct guy? Then you come in our what? Third iteration guy, come in our third iteration guy, because guy, why I am showing this thing, so you can understood very well. So what the execution going to flow internally, right? So guy, that is third iteration. So guy, in third iteration you can see second iteration value was guy what? 3, correct? The sum was 3 plus guy, you can see in third iteration what we have entered number guy 3, right? So you can guy added 3, so equal to guy 6, right? So guy, now in next iteration guy, in fourth iteration, because guy these all things we are going to do inside our for loop, so it will iterate till that our size will reach guy. So guy, that is our fourth condition, right? That is our fourth iteration guy. So fourth iteration guy, you can see what was our previous value, that was 6 plus guy, 6 plus, and you can see guy what the fourth iteration guy 4, right? So that is 4, that is equal to guy 10, right guy? In last iteration, right? In last iteration you can see what the value will be happening here. Last iteration guy, that is fifth iteration, right? That is fifth iteration guy, right? That is fifth iteration guy. In fifth iteration guy, what you can see here, you can see what was the value of last phase guy, that was 10, n guy, and what is the by what is we have entered in last 5 guy. So 10 plus 5 guy is equal to guy 15. So guy, you can see same value is coming or not, sum as 15 guy. So internally this thing happening, even we don't know, but internally this thing happening as per our logic, what we have written logic, according to that it can calculate and it will give the expected response guy. So guys, this is our code for how we need to write the code using array to write sum of the what? Array elements. Whatever elements you are going to enter in array, so how it can sum, how it can add, and it can print the result guys. So guys, that's it from the video. If you like the video guys, please like, share, subscribe, okay, which will be helpful to for all freshers and intermediate and who wants to more expertise on the array concept. Thank you guys, bye bye. We'll meet in very soon in next video guys. You can see guys, the result is coming, right? Yes or no? Thank you guys, bye bye. We'll meet in very soon next video.